Hi sir, Hollyland Dark M2 or DJI Mic Mini. So unfortunately, wala na yung DJI Mic Mini ko and nasira siya due to overcharge. Though ginamit ko naman yung original na cable ng DJI and ginamit ko naman yung original na charging dock ng DJI, but ang hindi original na nagamit ko is yung charging brick. So, ayun yung disadvantage kapag bumili kayo ng wireless microphones na walang kasamang charging case. Prone kasi sila sa overcharging. And lalo na kapag hindi trusted or kapag hindi talaga high quality yung charger na gamit nyo. But para sa akin ngayon, I'm using the Holyland Lark M2 for my Insta360 Ace Pro 2 tsaka sa aking phone. So far, mas gusto ko yung experience sa Holyland and also may magandang sticker sila yan. Customizable and very discreet din. Very straightforward. And what I like about this is yung simplicity na kahit wala ka na masyadong post-production na i-edit sa video mo is kaya mo mag-edit ng point and shoot na videos, record, and straight upload. So, yan lang naman, I prefer the Holyland Lark M2.